Hello and welcome to the final episode of Indoor Network Innovations from Imagine Studio Unboxed. Let's recap our journey so far. We've explored the need for 5G indoors and the emerging business models that showcased Ericsson's radio dot system. We also discussed connectivity use cases such as autonomous guided vehicles, accelerating enterprise operations. In this episode, we dive deep into how indoor coverage can elevate consumer experiences, from immersive sport applications to seamless connectivity in every corner. Discover how 5G is transforming our everyday lives. We all know that we spend 90% of our time indoors and consume up to 80% of our data there. This high demand for indoor connectivity is driving the need for enhanced performance. To achieve this in key venues, capacity and coverage must be optimized through effective network deployment strategies. According to the November edition of the Ericsson Mobility Report, our indoor traffic patterns differed significantly from outdoors, with almost 1.5 to 2 times more traffic per user. 70% of indoor deployments in the US still rely on 4G DAS, but DAS is struggling to support the emerging indoor use cases and increasing the total cost of ownership for service providers. Network utilization in indoor venues often exceeds 50%, impacting the user experience. By enhancing our indoor network performance, we can meet the growing demand and ensure a seamless, high-quality experience for all users. It's essential to utilize mid-band spectrum fully to provide the capacity and coverage needed for emerging XR, VR use cases, especially in multi-view sports applications. Still, the mid-band spectrum doesn't penetrate buildings as well, so it's essential to deploy it indoors where the customers are. When considering deployment scenarios to deliver this capacity and coverage globally, we have several options. Firstly, deployed by service providers, or deployed by a neutral host. Service providers may also deploy this acting as a neutral host to build and share infrastructure with other CSPs. Neutral host deployments that are RDS-based for providing indoor coverage offer proven benefits such as infrastructure sharing, enhanced capacity and coverage, cost efficiencies such as lowering the CapEx and OpEx, faster time to market, multi-band and multi-operator capabilities, and improved energy efficiency, making RDS the sustainable choice. Solutions from Ericsson are future-proof and industry-leading, which enables CSPs and neutral hosts to monetize emerging 5G use cases in the consumer space.
5G plays an important role in enhancing the fan experience. Even if you have the last seat in the stadium, it has to be the best seat in the stadium, whether indoors or outdoors. According to 2023 Women's Soccer Tournament, network statistics reported by Optus, over 750,000 live spectators attended the games with over 29 terabytes of mobile data traffic, and 37% of that traffic was reported to be over 5G. Today we will demonstrate another use case for providing indoor coverage. The example we will examine is a sports venue for ice hockey. Let's explore how enhanced indoor coverage can improve the fan experience. What I have here is a hockey game with an application from the stadium vendor. And in order to provide a better experience to the fan, I need to provide more than just a best effort approach. So if I'm just a regular fan and come in, have the app, I'll get the best effort approach. But I want to provide an enhanced experience to create new revenue. So what we're going to do here on the app is I'm going to go into the store and I'm going to subscribe. I have 3 different levels: best effort, a premium service, and a superstar service. I'm going to upgrade to the premium level. Now this will cost me a monthly fee, so it's an in-app purchase. And what that gives me now are new options in my application. So now, if I go to the app, I can order my food and beverage, have that delivered to my seat. I can order jerseys, caps, all delivered to my seat, so I don't miss any part of the action going on during the game. But the best part of this is I now have new options available on the app to explore the game at my own pace, so I can choose different cameras. Basically what I've done is use some network APIs and open up a network slice, provide me the best experience possible. So it's a continuous experience. It's not going to be best effort. It's going to be guaranteed bandwidth, guaranteed latency. And I have 6 different cameras now I can choose from to watch the game. I can create my own instant replays. If I want, I can go choose the camera behind the goalie, if that's my favorite, or I can do an overhead cam. The same experience can be used for concert, maybe even a circus, right? I can do the same thing. So I have apps for all these different venues, all the different events taking place at the venue to create these different fan experiences and provide a better experience. By directly engaging their fans through a feature-rich app, sports clubs can open a new, large revenue stream. CSPs can add value through network slicing and APIs, ensuring the best fan experience and getting shares of new revenue. Clubs have many thousands, maybe even millions of fans, so subscription revenues and CSP share can be higher, which extends value from CSP slicing subscriptions to micropayments for connectivity needs. That's what we have today. Thank you for tuning in and exploring how indoor 5G will transform experiences for you and me. Stay tuned for more from the Imagine Studio Unboxed.